Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you visit my channel, click on the like button, comment on the video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. Here are some scenes gathered from 2022 New Yam Festival in Igbo land, southeastern Nigeria. In this video, I will be explaining to you more about the New Yam Festival and how the festival is being celebrated. Yam is very uneconomical crop to cultivate. For one thing, there is only one harvest a year. Cultivating yam is truly a man's job, also known as Oru Okorobia in Igbo language. Unlike cassava, yam depends on its own tuber for propagation. Origin of New Yam Festival. One account has it that the yam was the reincarnation of the first son of the Afikpo woman sacrificed on the orders of the oracle Ibu Obabi. According to the tales, the woman first sacrificed the slave and the community, quite appropriately, got a bastard yam, Ji Bana. When, however, she sacrificed her only son and Amadiji, a man's yam, sprouted up, a gift of the gods to its serving people. Wheat among the Romans was believed to be an incarnation of Ceres, the goddess of agriculture. Another story has it that when it was first brought into our community, yam was untested food item in fear of the entire community dying from possible food poisoning. Domestic animals, slaves and bonded men were forced to eat the yam first, not until it was established safe for consumption, and then the leaders of the community allowed the generality of the public to partake in it. New Yam Festival is an annual festival observed mostly by the people of the Middle Belt, south and east of Nigeria. It is held at the end of rainy season, which is different time in different communities starting from early August to October. The festival, also known as Iwaji, Iri Ji or Ikeji, meaning eating yam, is observed throughout West Africa, especially in Nigeria. It symbolizes the conclusion of a harvest and the beginning of the next work cycle in Igbo land. It ties the Igbo communities together. Yam are the first crops to be harvested and it is the most important crops. The evening before the New Yam Festival, old yam must be consumed or discarded, and on the day of the festival, only dishes made out of yam is served. Palm oil is used to eat the yam. The oldest man in the community eats the first yam, offering the yam and prayers to the gods, deities, and ancestors. The harvest symbolizes the abundance of produce. Rituals are performed to express gratitude to the gods of the community for making the harvest possible. Though the styles and methods may differ from one community to the next, the essential component that makes up the festival remain the same in some communities. The celebration lasts a whole day, while many places it lasts a week or more. This festivity normally include a variety of entertainment and ceremony, including the performance of rites by the king, Igwe or the eldest man, and cultural dances by Igbo men, women and their children. The festival features Igbo cultural activities in form of contemporary show, masquerade dances, and fashion parades. Usually, at the beginning of the festival, the yam was offered to the gods and ancestors first before distributing them to the villagers. The rituals is performed either by the oldest men in the community or by the king or eminent title holder. The man also offered the yam to the god, deities or ancestors by showing gratitude to the supreme deities for his protection and kindness in leading them from lean period to the time of bountiful harvest without death resulting from hunger. After the prayer of thanksgiving to their god, they eat the first yam because it is believed that the position bestowed the privilege of being intermediary between the communities and the god of the land. The rituals are meant to express the gratitude of the community to the gods for making the harvest possible, and they are widely followed despite modern changes due to the influence of Christianity in the area. These therefore explain the three aspects of the Igbo worldview, and they are pragmatic, religious, and appreciative. The day is symbolic of enjoyment after the cultivation season. The day is symbolic of enjoyment after the cultivation season, and the plenty is shared with friends and well-wishers. A variety of festivities mark the eating of yam, folk dances, Masquerades, parades, and parties create an experience that some participants categorize as art. The colorful festival is a spectacle of exhibited joy, thanks and community display.